This method will help you reach an unlimited amount of potential clients that are looking for your particular service, no matter if it's online or if it's physical. It helps you get in front of who you should be. In this video, we're going to be finding clients and learning how to craft your first DM so your response rate is higher and you better your odds of finding a job within a week. No more fluff. Let's get into it. First, steal this ChatGPT prompt to uncover high demand niches that are actually looking for your services. If you don't want to write it down, just comment prompt down below and I'll be sure to send it to you. But what if you don't have a skill? This ain't the right video, but stick around. Maybe you can turn this into your own personal skill and actually have people reach out to you. So that means there's more money to be made. Now it's going to generate the niches and possible job titles that might need your services. The thing is, once you have the list, skim through it and choose one job title or niche. The other ones, we will get back to them in the future. Then, what you want to do is copy and paste this Google search command so it can skim through the Google's data and scrape out all the Instagram accounts that are tailored to what you are actually searching. I usually look for pages above 5k followers. Why, you ask? Because pages above 5k followers have a higher probability of already being monetized in a way of making money with his own Instagram page, and they're more probable to reach out as well with a positive response if the expectations are met or surpassed. What you should do is focus on producing quality independent of the number of followers, because you never know who's gonna be your next boss. So we found them. Now comes the most important part. Copy and paste this script I use to get consistent replies, and for me it has worked like wonders. Personalize it with their name. I usually use the first name, but you could use the last name, the niche or the job title, or some form of compliment that you might want to give him, and personalize the text. Or a better way of seeing this is complimenting on a recent achievement that they might have had and posted on their page. Be sure to look at its page and mentalize it and know if you can provide value for that actual page. There are pages with 3,000, 2,000 followers, but that are well maintained and are producing quality content. So if you feel that you can't fill that hole, don't usually text them, because if they say yeah, you can produce something, but usually it might be lower than what they're actually producing now, try to focus on people that you feel are more in need of your services than spitballing it on people that are well established. So we found the account, we got the script. Make sure it's not too long. Make it brief and straight to the point. So if he reads, he has a bigger chance of getting to the most important part faster than having to skim through all the filler and small talk and stuff. The most important part that they actually like to see is how they're going to gain value. So as soon as they jump into the part that you're going to provide them value, that's the killer moment where they're like, won't hurt me nothing and it's free. That clicks something in their mind. They're like, yeah, okay, yeah, let me see. And that's when you overproduce and give them more quality than what they're expecting. That's how you land your first client. Because let's keep it real, we've all received those spam emails where they're actually going about what their degree is or their experience is, or if they've been in the business for like 7 years and stuff like that. But the honest truth is, nowadays people with 2 months of experience are outranking people with 5 years of experience. The difference is they know how to market themselves better than the old heads in many other aspects. They're adapting and evolving. No backlash to the old heads though. But the underlying thing is, if we compare the quality of work side by side, the difference is sporadical. Don't know if that's the actual word, but ginormous. So now we sent it to this client. What next? Repeat it 100 times. Here what we're going to do is set a limit. Try to DM 100 accounts per day. It might seem like a lot, but the mindset you should bring to this outreaching method is you never are guaranteed a reply. It's only more probable for them to reply positively, but it doesn't remove the factor that you might not get a reply at all. And what you have to do is not text too many people within the same hour. Like texting 50 people or 70, you're more probable to get banned. Instagram doesn't like that because it sees it as bot activity and scammy activity. A safe margin would be to post around 15, not post, but DM 15 to 20 people within an hour or two, you know? So it has time to cool down and you have time to get replies, and it's more healthy either way because you're not going to be saturating yourself a lot. The clients or the potential leads will still be there, and fortunately you can get back to them as soon as you can. But the thing is, those who do reply, oh boy, those are hot leads. Those are more probable to get a positive reply because you've hit a nail point. You've intrigued them in some type of way. Why would they be interested in your services or interested in seeing it if they weren't needing it, or if it didn't open something on their mind? So that's the time you have to work your best. Now let's go back to the script. In the script you said that we would send them something, right? What we do is, as soon as we get the positive reply, we jump into our system or our software and try to produce quality work. What I do is produce 2 pieces of content. From that, you can have an idea of how I manage my work and how I do it and what I'm about to provide to the company or the brand itself. The thing is, you cannot sell your services. You should sell value. That's what you have to aim for. Don't be selling a logo design. Sell authenticity for your brand and credibility in the market. Start this week and come back to comment the results.